Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's December 16th when I'm recording this, and so if you guys see this the next day, December 17th, 18th, and 19th, we're going to be having an open house at Simpler Trading, which we're going to be in the central room, which is our main room. You're going to get all the traders to come through, present themselves. You get get a feel for who we are and what we do, and how we talk about the markets. So I hope you guys find this really interesting and want to come on over and see what it is we do. If you've ever been wondering how to get in here and check it out, this is now the time, and you can see all the traders that we have. Most of us will be in attendance. There is a schedule, so you can check that out, and you can make sure you're there for any one of us that you want to be. All right, so other than that, the market continues to be wonderful. This is really great. I know the S&P, if you're looking at it, isn't really saying much, but this is actually pretty good. I'm happy that the market is really just kind of going sideways right here. This is really pretty good. Because it means it doesn't want to go down. In fact, it is fixing its overbought condition, which we had a few weeks ago, with just going sideways. And if you're looking through here, we've seen numerous situations where we get that, and you can see like this, we go sideways and we get another up pop, and you can see this, we mostly go sideways, get another up pop, and we'll just see what this does as far as carrying us into either the end of the year and whatnot. The other thing to note, and I've been talking to all of our subscribers about this, is that if you look at breadth, so this is the number of stocks over their 50-day SMA, 20-day SMA, and you can see we went from 80% of stocks being over their 20-day SMA down to 33% of stocks above their 20-day SMA. So yes, number one, we have been experiencing a lot of pullback, and we've been seeing that, but that also means that we have taken a lot of air out of the market, and that's great because we're still in an uptrend and the S&P is still going sideways, which is good. Consider it a bull flag. And this also means that we have lots of room to move up if we wanted to, because think about it, only 33% of stocks are over their 20-day SMA. And so yeah, lots of room to the upside. With that being said, we have Bitcoin breaking out. We can do /BTC, or I was going to show you the leveraged ETF that we do, but Bitcoin is definitely breaking past 100,000. That seemed like that was going to, definitely going to happen. And we're looking at things like Wolf and Irene and Cypher. These look like really good bull flags, and I think that it's just pretty much a matter of time until these things start breaking out to the upside, because these look really good. Now, we get into the really crazy stuff. Here's Sound. This is SoundHound. We have been in this thing, I'm tracking this for months, if not a couple years, but we got into this officially right back around here. It was like a little over $6, maybe $7, and now it's up here almost $20, and we even added to it. So we added to it right in through here around $14.50. So we're doing really well in our positions in through here. I mean, we're up 186% on our original position, and then we're up 33% on our second position. So we're having a good time with this. I don't know if it's kind of become a meme stock or what, but it is really taken off, and maybe it has something to do with AI, which is why SoundHound is here, but also the quantum computing stocks, RGTI. I mean, look at these things. They're going from a dollar to now $8. So really massive moves. QBTS, this is another one if you guys want to keep taking a look around. I mean, we're seeing some really big moves in quantum computing related stocks that kind of were doing nothing, and now they're doing everything. So really big stuff that's happening out there. And we're also starting to see a lot of these names are starting to come back. So like some robotics. Here's AUR. We've been waiting for this one to pull back and finish, and you can see that this morning we actually had a pullback right here into the lower channel, and now we're up here making almost new highs for the day. And so yeah, that one looks really great. As I said, this market is doing wonderfully. We're having a great time with it. My account keeps growing. I know we have a lot of happy subscribers and traders in the Moxie room, and I think that there's more of this to come. I think well into 2025 we should be doing pretty well with this kind of stuff, because this is a lot of energy to just kind of let fizzle and put back. So I think we're going to be going for a while. And if you guys want to come check it out, you can always do the $7 trial for 30 days in the Moxie room, or you can do the open house that we're going to be doing this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, in the Simpler Central room. All right, guys? So thanks again, and we'll see you there. Take care. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.